The best weed burners for your garden. It can be quite a task to manually remove the weeds in your garden and driveway, and your natural tendency is to forget about it or postpone it. However, once you get your hands on the best weed burner, you'll never want to postpone this task again. A weed burner is a useful tool that can quickly destroy the weeds present in your garden without disturbing the soil. Keep watching as we have compiled a list of the best weed burners for you to choose from. We also tell you about the various types of weed burners and give you valuable tips on choosing the right weed burner. Number 1. Best with long hose. Flame King Propane Torch Weed Burner. The Flame King Propane Torch Weed Burner is equipped with a 10-foot hose with 500,000 BTU, making it suitable for heavy weeding operations. The torch weed burner is compatible with propane gas cylinders of various sizes and can be effective in small and big gardens. It ranges from 5 pounds to 100 pounds and is designed for long-term use. It has a comfortable molded handle and is easy to operate by hand. The addition of a brass safety valve makes the flame easy to control and minimizes leakage risk. You can use the multifunctional device to remove paint or melt ice, asphalt, or tar. What we like: long reach hose, easy grip handle, safety valve. Multi-purpose, includes flint striker. What we don't like: maybe heavy and loud. Number 2. Best high output. 8 Milake Propane Torch. The integrated push buttons and piezoelectric ignition on the 8 Milake Propane Torch make it easy to start and safe to use. The device is compatible with standard 20 pounds propane tanks and can also be used to preheat metals for welding, thaw equipment, melt snow, and heat roofing materials. This high-output weed burner, made of stainless steel with anti-rust and anti-corrosion functions, has a turbo blast trigger with 500,000 BTU output and a maximum flame temperature of 1,650 degrees centigrade to eliminate large areas of weeds. The 2 wrenches that come with the weeding machine can adjust the connectors, making it user-friendly and convenient to use. What we like: includes wrenches, push-button igniter, multi-purpose, rust and corrosion resistant. What we don't like: may extinguish itself. Number 3. Best multi-purpose. An Innovation Propane Torch Weed Burner. The Innovation Torch Weed Burner with a high output of 500,000 BTU can quickly reach a temperature above 1,650 degrees centigrade to eliminate small and large weeds. You can use the device for snow melting, removing paint, processing meat, and other maintenance tasks. The piezoelectric ignition makes this weeder easy to start, and the flow valve allows easy adjustment of the flame size. The comfortable handle and lightweight structure make it easy to control and use for a long time. The gas weed burner is designed for standard-sized propane cylinders, and its electroplated surface is durable and rust-proof. What we like: ergonomic handle, 2-year warranty, multi-purpose, push-button igniter, easy to use. What we don't like: the wand may not be long enough. Number 4. Best with large nozzle. Steinbrucke Propane Torch Weed Burner. The durable structure and XA certification make the Steinbrucke Propane Torch Weed Burner a safe and convenient choice for destroying large areas of weed. The device can reach a flame temperature of up to 1,650 degrees centigrade with 500,000 BTU of power and has a flow valve to adjust the flame size. It is equipped with piezoelectric ignition, is easy to start and stop, and has a safety valve to minimize leakage risk. The multifunctional weeder is designed for use with a standard 20-pound propane tank. You can use the device to sear meat, soften asphalt, remove paint, and light fires. What we like: ergonomic molded handle, push-button igniter, large nozzle, XA certified, UL certified hose, lightweight. What we don't like: the hose may not be long enough. Number 5. Best for hard-to-reach weeds. Forney Fireman Weed Burner. The Forney Weed Burner has a brass control knob that does not lock during use, and the handle and head are made of steel, with a power of 500,000 BTU. This weeder can be used for repairing asphalt, melting ice, and igniting a grill. It connects to a standard 20 pounds liquid propane tank and is equipped with a flint lighter for easy ignition. The pole safety valve shuts off the excessive flow of liquefied petroleum gas to reduce leakage damage. The 10-foot hose makes it easy to attack hard-to-reach weeds. What we like: 90-day warranty, long hose, striker included, steel head and handle, lightweight. What we don't like: maybe noisy. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily. so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our coal products, as it will make your life much easier.